Sellercloud lets you set the current physical inventory count for one or multiple products in your warehouse. Once you have done a physical inventory count of a product within a warehouse, you can update that in-stock quantity either manually or via a file import. Go to Inventory and click on Manage Inventory. Open the physical you want to set. Click Toolbox and select Warehouse. You can set physical inventory manually both from the Warehouse Inventory tab or the Physicals tab under the Products Warehouse Toolbox. Under Warehouse Inventory, select the Set Physical icon next to your desired warehouse. And under Physicals, select the plus icon. Select the requested warehouse and specify the physical quantity. Indicate the inventory date, which should reflect the time and date when the inventory was last physically verified or counted. Click Set. Another way to set physical inventory is in bulk. You can set the current calculated physical inventory for multiple products using a file import. Simply go to Inventory, click on Tools and choose Import Inventory Info. Select Import Physical Inventory. To download a sample template, select the file type, and click the download icon on the Import Physical Inventory panel. Complete the template file and save it. Return to Import Physical Inventory. Click the File field, and select the appropriate file from your computer. In the Update Type field, specify whether you want to perform a partial, recommended, or full inventory count and click Import. You can also automate product imports from a file transfer protocol using the scheduled task Import Product Inventory. If the file format matches the Sellercloud format, use the default plugin type Warehouse Inventory Import format.